Today we are wrapping the Goblin in Christmas lights. That's right, in the spirit of Vlogmas and in the spirit of Christmas, we not only wrapped the front in the previous couple of videos, but we are actually wrapping the car in Christmas lights as well. I'm sure you've seen somewhere on the internet cars going around with Christmas lights on, and of course I had to jump on the bandwagon. But before we do, welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Gray and this is Living Like Gray, and we like doing car stuff here on the channel, and we are participating in Vlogmas, which basically means I upload a video every single day for the month of December. So if that sounds cool to you, be sure to subscribe down below, and that way you can see more of the Goblin and the other cars we got on the channel as well. But tonight we are wrapping the Christmas lights. I've got my buddy Ryan here to help me, and we are going to finally get this thing looking very Christmassy. Most people, what they do when they do this is they get a battery-powered Christmas light set. But those Christmas lights aren't as cool as running the normal LED Christmas lights. In order to do that, I got an inverter, and we're basically gonna hook the inverter up to the battery and then the Christmas lights to the inverter with a normal plug. Pretty simple. I'm gonna go and link all this stuff down below, so if you guys wanna try this for yourself, this is pretty straightforward. All we gotta do is hook the inverter up and then attach the Christmas lights to the cars with either zip ties or just wrapping them around the bars. Basically, we're just gonna go and see what works best. So anyway, let's go and get started. I flush my juice down in the club. I always keep that shit on top. Well, like, yeah. My piece flush like a disco ball. I guess like I don't give a fuck. I flush my drinks down in the club. I always keep that shit on top. My piece flush like a disco ball. Okay, so we have spent the last, what do you think, 2 hours doing this, Ryan?
Yeah, just about.
Yeah, about 2 hours, and I was a little concerned at first, but it actually looks pretty good. So I think that we didn't go around the front, but we did go around the rest of the bars. We went around the wing. You wanna go and shut the lights off, Ryan? See how it looks. Oh yeah, that'll be cool. It's a little weird without the front wrap though.
I know. Maybe we should have done something.
Maybe we should have done the front. Okay, well, I might do a little bit of the front. Ryan and I are gonna film a video for Christmas Day that will go up on Christmas Day with the Goblin looking really cool. We're gonna do a really cool cinematic. I'm gonna post Ryan's stuff down below, so if you guys wanna go check it out, we'll be doing that tomorrow morning. So I might wrap a little bit more of the hood though, so even though Ryan's gotta go, I might do a little bit more here, and then we'll kind of see where we're at with it in a little bit. Okay, so I spent another like 30 minutes running some more lights on the hood, and let me just say, I've outdone myself. Look how crazy this thing looks in darkness. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, you can't see me, but Christmas, oh yeah, it's here, baby. It's here, and oh, we're gonna be mobbing, dude. I cannot wait. Let me take this outside so you guys can see what it looks like out there. Okay, so I just pulled the Goblin out of the garage. And let me just say, I've outdone myself. This is so cool, dude. Oh my gosh. Look how cool this thing looks. I couldn't get that front piece there, that little foot-long section, but everything else. Throw the lights on real quick. Look, see, the lights kind of cancel it out. As long as I got the lights on, it looks okay. But look how cool that looks. Oh my gosh. That's thumbnail material right there. Look how cool that is. That is so cool. It looks so cool in person too. We got the 9 Lives Racing big wang out here. Oh man, this is it. Oh, this is gonna be cool. So Steve POV, who is a much larger YouTuber than I, is hosting a show tomorrow morning. And needless to say, we will be taking the DF Goblin out to said show. So it'll be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. Look how cool that thing looks, man. This is the first year I've done something like this. And like, I'm hyped, I'm stoked. So I think a lot of people will like it. It is a toy drive meet, so we'll bring out some toys, help out, and, you know, give back. It's the season of giving. I'm giving you guys content, giving toys to toy drives and stuff like that, and giving everybody's eyes something amazing to look at going down the road. As long as none of these catch on fire, this will be really cool. I guess if they catch on fire, it'll be even brighter. So anyways, I think it's awesome. I'm so excited for this. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, and I'll see you guys in the morning once we meet up with Ryan and Logan and go to that meet. Merry Christmas, everybody. We will be back tomorrow with another video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Why are those lights there? What is going on? Okay, well anyway.